mamaya pang 9 yung checkout, but nag-breakfast na kami. Kaya wala pang ayos kasi hanggang 8 lang yung breakfast area. And look! Yun ang view. Ito lang kakainin ko today kasi masyado ako nasosobrahan sa pagkain. And look at the view! The Bay Area.
Thank you. 감사합니다. When there's a game, Korea versus Philippines, you should do this.
It's the last day. Nag-change kami ng bus. Wala na kami excited right now. It is fake first class. Kasi walang charging station. Say hi.
Pero magandang Goated.
Meron kaming tissue there. And this. We're at souvenir shop. We're gonna buy souvenir ng tote bag. We're at K-pop store. Look at this guy. I have these two for Ate Maui and Nicole. Nabili namin yung mga binibili. Now we're going to our lunch place. We're at Dongdaemun. Dongdaemun? Saan pali tayong pwesto? Say hi! I like your outfit today. You're very pink. Ikaw, like, show your feet! Hey! Hey! Gonna eat here. Sa may... Ay, hindi, outlet. I think, yeah, pupunta din kami guys sa outlet.
Plus or
Eating hot pot. Di ba ako nag-utom guys? What's this? No.
Di pa luto sa atin, di pa mga kabuto. Koko. Chocolate latte.
Cute. 감사합니다.
Ano to? Thank you.
Welcome po. Cute.
After become real Gangnam Style. I was talking about
Taxi pound 16,000 pesos around.
Patingin, mami. Pakita mo sa camera.
Yeah.
Ano ka pesos?
The 17,000 pesos.
And then taxi refund.
1,400 pesos.
Bumili ka? Patingin.
About 1,000.
Should I buy the necklace?
18,000.
Guys, look what he got. This one, dito sa Amethyst store. Bagay niya yung silver. And then I got this one. Purple one for luck. She bought it. Ano yung pinili mong design, mami?
Yun din, kaya lang maliit lang.
The blue one?
you might have seen Angelina's Holly's Compose. So many brands. So many.
Dog.
Same
And
kanya yung
then
color purple.
among
Bakit
coffee,
kaya kapaskip yan?
became American.
Back to being silver
And then
girl.
not just American.
Gemini, born under a spring moon sky.
Nasa last stop na tayo, guys. We're at outlet. So, shopping sila mami and daddy sa baba. And Michael and I took pictures outside. Nasa labas ko si ate at si Lau. Kaya, iwaiwalay kami. Pasahan sila mami. Para magkakalimin mo si Anton. Ay! Opa. Yeah.
Can you record here?
Pwede sa size ang tanong. Ano gusto makakita ng ano? Nagsusukat si daddy. Ang kapatid ba ito? ito to.
Bakit?
Shot ako lang maganda.
Kamukha lang kitang ano ka?
Sa shopping sila. Told you, it's cute. Diba guys, ang cute na.
209. More than 8.
40 years sister. Get the pants nice.
The pants nice. Although, covered this one. Ako ko na.
We're at the next store with this daddy ng dark here. Tinawag ako ni mami na walang sense of driving. What she meant was sense of direction. Sinumbong kita sa vlog ko. No! Wait lang, ba't naguhubad yung jowa kasarap ng tatay ko? Close your eyes.
No.
I-video mo ko.
Do you know me?
Mami, papakilala ko yung asawa ko. Medyo hubad-hubad lang siya ngayon. Mami, papakilala ko yung asawa ko. Mami, ayan ang asawa ko. Medyo hubad-hubad lang siya ngayon, pero decente na.
Do you know?
We're ordering. Is there ice cream? Kulang, ayun, may coffee. Pati si daddy daw, coffee. Ice caramel macchiato. Order sila Anton sa kaati. Learning sa ano natin. Okay, so maybe like nag-water ko lang.
She's just like her mother's mother. It's wrong, it first that her daughter looks like a butterfly, stings like a bee. She's tame as a river and wild as a sea. Oh, running with wind in her hair. Can't try to keep her back there. Day and night.
Oh, nice vibration.
Ay pupunta sa Incheon Airport.
All around. Remember the money.
May mga money pa kaming natira kaya gagastusin na namin sa last stop, which is dinner. Mag-dinner muna kami somewhere may grocery daw.
Why? Because many Korean going to Philippines, spending a lot.
We're at supermarket. I'm gonna buy my last pasalubong. Annyeonghaseyo. Looking for a tote bag for 5 days na at wala pa rin ako makitang magandang tote bag. Okay, so guys, this is my last day of finalizing my pasalubong and ito na yung meron sa cart ko. Gotta look pa kasi I still have a budget. Aray ko. I'm so hard-earned. Yan yung binili ni Anton, di ba? Okay, get.
Ayan.
Yeah. You then. Oh, sige. You put it here. Okay. Ano ito? Meron na dyan. What's this? What's that? What's that? Lego. I'm not a fan of something like that. Like, naiirita yung utak ko. Naiirita yung utak ko pag hindi niya nagagawa yung isang bagay. I think I have ano. Ay, ang cute. Ganyan ba yung kalaki?
Oo, ayun o. Oo. They're different than Legos. They're cute.
Lego. They're big. Naiiyak na ako kasi wala akong makitang magandang tote bag. Ayoko sana yung may Korean na design. Gusto ko yung parang cute design lang na quirky and fun. But, ito na yung last stop namin. So, if hindi ako bibili dito, wala na akong makikita. Should I buy the pa square one or pa vertical? This one is quirky, so I think pwede na to. Let's try. Ano mas cute kapag lalaki?
Vertical.
Okay, ano pa? Kakain na kami dinner.
I bought a very good one. It's flight natin lumabas sa time ko.
And I have my other pasalubong here.
Busog pa ako.
Last dinner in Korea. That's it, everyone. Also, malalobat na din pala ako. So, baka wala na akong update sa inyo, guys. Ikaw, dami ko na nire-reply. Ay, ikaw hindi nag-reply? Me? Waling na lang. Kasi isang ka pa. My God. Red flag tayo lahat, no?
Ganyan ginawa ko rin, no? Nasa ako nahuli ako.
Hindi siya nag-reply. Tapos nahuli siya online. Bakit kasi naka-on yung active style? Hindi, nag-like siya sa TikTok. May drama. Ganun yung plot niya. Kasi hindi sila nagkatuluyan. Eh, nagsawa yung isa.
Ayoko nag-drama yun. Boring.
Di ba napanood ko naman? Hindi kasi yung bidang character.
Go for it!
Tehamingo! Tap, tap! My husband. And so at 8 p.m. What's this? Airport?
Helicopter, ano?
Oh my god, this is airport. Airport? Airport. So cool.
Basira.
This is the airport. We're at the airport already. Grabe, so big ng inside. Go! Let's go! This is Incheon, guys. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Tagal ng check-in. Mga isang oras na kami.
Wala pa?
I'm so tired. Guys, pagod na ako. Tingnan mo naman to. Nakakapagod po ang check-in. I cannot do this anymore. More than 3 hours na kami. Or 2 hours. For the check-in. 3% na lang ako, guys. But I'm here. Waiting na lang yan sa ano namin. Ayan, 1112 kami. I'll charge there. Sana pwede. Finally, nakapag-charge ako here. And we're here. Malapit na kami mag-board. And nag-aasikaso lang ako ng council stuff habang may connection pa. I also bought this food. Pero magbo-board na pala kami again sa plane. So, hindi ko na siya makakain. Pero, nakita ko naman kanina nakapaskil sa Dunkin. Kasi sa Dunkin ako bumila. Na pwede siyang dalhin sa plane. So, I think yun na yung food ko sa plane yan. Here's my food. As you guys know, I love egg. So, I bought egg sandwich and a coffee. Para nga. Kasi nga dapat magka-council work ako. Kasi akala ko matagal pa kaming mag-wait dito. Kaso, line na naman. So, I think sa plane na yan kami mag-wait if ever mag-board na kami. I'm so covered, guys. Fit check that. Charan! Here they are. Ano ko bit-bit? Grabe. Here, nasa airport. Ay, sa airplane. Airport. Saan ka? Ba't dito ka bigla?
Kasi ABC to.
Oh!
Eh si Mami E. Dito ba? Parang nasa kabila.
Punta kami parking. Magpa 5 a.m.